Hello everyone. Today's topic is white box testing. White box testing is also known as clear box testing, open box testing, glass box testing, transparent box testing, code based testing, or structural testing. So, white box testing is a software testing method in which the internal structure and design and implementation of the item being tested is known to the tester. The tester choose inputs to exercise pass through the code and determine the appropriate outputs. Programming know how and the implementation knowledge is essential. So white box testing is testing beyond the user interface and into the nitty-gritty of a system. This method is named because of the software program in the eyes of the tester is like a white or transparent box inside which one clearly see. So one of the basic goal of white box testing is to verify a working flow for an application. Application. White box testing is also called as structural testing, code-based testing, clear testing, open testing, glass box testing. Okay. So whiteboard testing, basically the whiteboard testing is a two basic steps. First is understand the source code and second is create test cases and execute. Understand the source code इसमें क्या होता है इस अगर आप understand the source code it means जो प्रोग्रामर है जो टेस्टर है उसको हमें कंप्लीट नॉलेज होनी चाहिए टू टेस्ट द प्रोग्राम कोड सोर्स कोड कोई अगर वो टेस्ट कर रहा है it means he or she have the complete knowledge of source code. Then he or she can test the source code. The tester must be very knowledgeable in the programming language used in the application they are testing. Also, the testing person must be highly aware of source coding practice. Second is create test cases and execute. Writing more code to test the application source code. The tester will develop little tests for each source code, each process or series of process in the application. इस सेकंड स्टेप में क्या होता है कि जो टेस्टर होता है वो छोटे छोटे प्रोसेस के लिए स्मॉल स्मॉल प्रोसेस के लिए अलग से सोर्स कोड राइट करता है देन चेक करता है टेस्ट करता है white box testing method is applicable to the following levels. First is unit testing for testing pass within a unit. Second, integration testing for testing pass between units. And third is system testing for testing pass between subsystems. However, it is the mainly applied now to unit testing. For example, a tester, usually a developer, as well as as well studied the implementation code of certain field on a web page, then determines all legal and illegal inputs and verify the outputs against the expected outcomes, which is also determined by studying the implementation code. White box testing is like the work of a mechanic who examines the engine to see why the car is not moving. White box testing is like the work of a mechanic who examines the engine to see why the car is not moving. What is the advantage of white box testing? The testing can be commenced at an earlier stage earlier stage, one need not wait for the GUI to be available. Testing is more thorough with the possibility of covering most paths. And the disadvantage, since tests can be very complex, highly skilled resources are required with a thorough knowledge of programming and implementation. Means इसका मतलब है कि जो टेस्टर है उसको प्रोग्रामिंग की एंड इम्प्लीमेंटेशन की डीपली नॉलेज होनी चाहिए, देन तभी वो टेस्टिंग यूज कर पाएगा. टेस्ट स्क्रिप्ट्स मेंटेनेंस कैन बी बर्डन if the implementation changes too frequently. Since this method of testing is closely tied to the application being tested, tools to cater to every kind of implementation may not be readily available. Then what do we verify in white testing? हम क्या क्या verify करते हैं white box testing में? First, basically verify the security holes in the code. जो भी security holes हो सकते हैं उनको हम verify करते हैं, check करते हैं. And verify the broken or incomplete paths in the code. कोई incomplete path तो नहीं है, कोई broken path तो नहीं है. Verify the flow of structure mentioned in the specification document. जो हमने SRS में दिया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग फ्लो स्ट्रक्चर मेंशन चेक करते हैं, वेरीफाई करते हैं. वेरीफाई द एक्सपेक्टेड आउटपुट्स, उसका आउटपुट क्या आएगा. Verify the all conditional loops in the code to check the complete functionality of the application. And verify the line by line or section by section in the code. That is the important. Verify the line by line or section by section in the code. It examines source code and analyze what is present in the code. And structural testing doesn't expose error of code omission, but can estimate the test suite adequacy in terms of code coverage. That is execution of components by the test suite or its fault finding ability. Okay, thank you.